Word endings. The ends of words are very important in spoken English. They often give grammatical meanings such as singular plural, subject-verb agreement, and tense choices. The letter S at the end of words can be pronounced in 3 different ways. Sometimes the final S is pronounced S, sometimes Z, and sometimes IS. Repeat the following pairs of words. Pay attention to the sounds at the ends of the words. Singular plural. 1. Cake, cakes. 2. Group, groups. 3. Boy, boys. 4. Bean, beans. 5. Road, roads. 6. House, houses. 7. Orange, oranges. 8. Watch, watches. Subject-verb agreement. 1. Beat, beats. 2. Rest, rests. 3. Shut, shuts. 4. Save, saves. 5. Break, breaks. 6. Feel, feels. Regular past tense.
Listen to the story and practice the S at the ends of the words. She gets up at about 7 o'clock and then drinks a cup of coffee. When she feels a bit more alert, she showers and changes. She buys breakfast at the cafe below her block and takes it to work to eat. She likes something sweet in the morning, so she gets croissants and Danish pastries. She travels to work on the Underground and arrives at about 8:45. She chats to her colleagues for a while and starts work at 9 o'clock. She checks her email and then spends the rest of the morning on the telephone to customers. She leaves the office for lunch at 12 o'clock. She goes home after work or sometimes eats out or meets her friends for a drink. She goes to bed at midnight most weekdays and saves her energy for the weekends.